Hi viewers, there is an old jungle saying into the markets that money are made in bull markets. Do you believe so? Well, I don't believe so that monies are made only in bull markets. What if the markets like 2007-8 where we saw a big drawdown? What about markets like start of 2020, the corona impact where markets have dipped more than 30-40%? What if the month like June we had where markets traded in a narrow range for around 3%? Well, this kind of markets are bear markets or range bound markets, and making money in those markets is very much important. Well, that's the part of a trader versus an investor. An investor will only buy and hold for a longer term point of view, but a trader will make money in all the markets. And I will show you some of the proven strategies which will help you to win in all the markets. Well, looking at the trader, you need to understand what kind of trader you are. Are you a rookie trader or a pro trader? Well, I want to give a characteristics of four characteristics of each a rookie trader and a pro trader. The first characteristic of rookie trader or generally the standard traders are is that he will use standard trading setups, which means that you buy a flag breakout, you buy a triangle breakout, or any XYZ. The second biggest mistake what he does is that he trades in every random stocks. And over here, the fear of missing out, which is generally known as FOMO, is always there into the rookie trader. He sees that I have bought a stock and it is not moving, and the other stocks are moving by 2%, 3%. He'll jump onto that trade. The third mistake, what he does is, or what the characteristics he has, that he gives very less importance to risk management over here. He doesn't know that what kind of risk he's taking. He just want on to jump onto that trade and make money out of it. But the risk to reward here is not taken care by a rookie trader. And on the basis of fear of missing out, he trades each and every setup. So he trades more and is no don't know what reward he's making out. So number of trades are increased over here, but if you look at the trade money made per trade is very much less. So look at the first chart over here, and what does the rookie trader does is, if you look at the red lines over here, I don't want to name the chart, but what does it is there is a breakout, he buys at the breakout. So if you look at those setups, if there are generally 4 or 5 setups what have shown, and probably one or two has been successful, other have been a failure. So the rookie trader won't understand that the risk he's taking on breakout, what is the downside, at what level he will exit out, and what is the reward about that. So he's not aware of it. At the same time, if you look at the pro traders over here, so what does this pro trader do is, they have a focused, or I would say a proven track record of each and every setups. So he will focus on such kind of setups where there is a high probability that the success is there onto those trades. He will try to ignore the noise or ignore the setups which has the low probability. Second important, what does it and how this is probability comes is, when he has the trade basket, I would say the stock selection basket. So he will trade out of those stocks only where he is very much focused on. So he knows how the stocks will move out. So when you trade such kind of stocks regularly, you will know how these stocks move. Do they move on intraday basis very frequently? Do they move on the weekly basis? Do they move on the monthly basis? So when you have a stock basket, you know how these kind of stocks will move out, and that's the biggest advantage for a pro trader, because he knows how the setups will work out, and the probability of success will automatically increase when he trades in and out on a daily basis. The third over here is, he knows what kind of risk he is taking. Where if you look at the standard or rookie trader, he doesn't know what kind of risk he's taking because he has a fear of missing out of those trades. But a pro trader will always understand the risk over here, and he will trade less, gain more. The percentage of gain per trade will be higher for a pro trader. And let me come back to those chart again where I have shown the red line. Now look at the blue lines. If you look at the arrows over there, the pro trader will look at this arrow because at retest of the pattern, the risk to reward is very, very favorable. And you know, in case the retest is there and the trend is continuing, he will enter a trade. Otherwise, he will ignore the trade because he knows the risk over there. Second chart, if you look at, this is small cap to nifty ratio chart. And if you look at, the pro trader will look at the bigger trend, and that's the reason he will trade less and make big money because he knows that the bigger trend is still favoring some of the stock which you are focusing on. And when the bigger trend is captured by a pro trader, he will write down to those trades, and that's the reason he trades less and makes that big money because the bigger trend is there in his hand. So this was just an difference between rookie trader and pro trader, and sharing my 15 years of experience. I want you all to evolve from a rookie trader to pro trader. So in this video series, I'll be sharing some of the my top 10 proven strategies which that works in all kind of markets, not only a bull markets. As I said, it's a jungle saying that monies are made in bull markets, but I will show you how you can make money in bear market, range bound market as well. How I will also explain you how to ride the market cycles with confidence. So as I said, when you are capturing a trend, you need to ride it out. Detect anomaly in stock prices before anyone. How fund managers spot winning stocks. So you should be ahead of such kind of fund managers, and you should be aware that when funds are buying, when funds are selling. Indicator that predicts upcoming bull market, bear market, or cycles. The most important or reliable way to identify the trends in advance, and this is very much important. You should understand. As I said, showed the small cap to nifty ratio chart where the trend was emerging, and you should understand those kind of trend. So you must watch this video series, and I'll be explaining these proven strategies to you. Signing off. Thank you. I am delighted that you are joining me to learn my proven trading strategies or setups. If you wish to learn or hear more from me, do subscribe to our Fast Profit Daily video. You just click on the above link, enter your email IDs, and right in your inbox there will be a newsletter which will really help you out, or listen to me on various proven trading strategies. Thank you.